Right, now this is the lighting up procedure for this little R&M picnic stove. The first thing to do is to 2/3 fill this reservoir with ordinary paraffin through here. Now I've already done that. The second thing to do is to take this little tin of methylated spirits and you pour that into the preheating trough. It doesn't take very much, and as you can see I've already put the stays into place that's going to support our saucepan or kettle, and that is the flame ring which gives you the right shaped flame. The next thing to do is to take some sort of lighter or a match and set fire to the mess. Now you probably can't see a flame, but I can assure you it's there. Methylated spirits burn so cleanly that it's almost invisible. We now make sure that the safety valve is undone so that the paraffin container doesn't pressurise, and we now have to wait to preheat the evaporator tubes, which usually takes a couple of minutes. That means that when they're full, when they're fully heated, paraffin goes into the vaporizer tubes and it's turned into a gas that comes out through that tiny nozzle, and that is what causes the flame. This windshield can be used during the heating up process when you're burning the mess. As you can see at the moment, the conditions are a little bit windy, and it's going to take the vaporizer a little longer to heat up. What I'll do is I'll remove the burner ring for a moment and then pop the shield on. We just wait now for the vaporizer tubes to get hot enough from the methylated spirit, so we'll keep an eye on the level of the meths, and when it's almost gone we'll go on to the next stage. Okay, so now the preheating, we should have enough, so we now close the safety valve and we give 2 or 3 pumps, and as you can see it's immediately lit and it's now burning paraffin. These stoves burn very cleanly. Cheers.